We'll guide you through how to make will transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, create a new shape layer from the Layer menu. Use the Shape tool to draw a circle in the composition. After drawing the circle, open the Shape Layer options and add Trim Paths from the Add menu. This will allow the circle stroke to animate over time. Next, enable keyframes for the end property in Trim Paths by clicking the stopwatch. Set the end value to 0% at the start of the transition so the circle is not visible. Then move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should complete and change the end value to 100%. This makes the circle draw itself across the screen during playback. After that, rotate the circle by selecting the Shape layer and pressing R on the keyboard. Enable rotation keyframes if needed and adjust the movement so the circle animation feels dynamic. Next, add a car wheel image into the composition and place it above or inside the transition area. Align the wheel with the circle so it matches the circular motion. Animate the wheel by enabling position or rotation keyframes and making it spin or move in sync with the circle drawing effect. As the animation continues, use the growing circle and wheel motion to reveal the second clip. The first clip is gradually covered or transitioned out, while the second clip becomes visible underneath. Adjust timing so the reveal happens smoothly as the circle completes its path. Once everything is set, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Check that the circle draws cleanly, the wheel animation flows correctly, and the second clip appears at the right moment. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.